Moving out soon and worried about the end of tenancy clean? Whether you're leaving an apartment, a house, or any other type of property, the pressure to leave everything spotless can be overwhelming. And with your deposit at stake, knowing what to clean and how thoroughly makes all the difference. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning guidance and moving out tips. End of tenancy cleaning goes far beyond a regular tidy up. You're expected to return the property in the same condition as when you moved in, and every property type comes with different challenges. Apartments may be compact, but kitchens, bathrooms, and windows often need deep attention. Houses require even more work. Carpets, bedrooms, stairs, hallways, and outdoor areas all need a thorough clean. And specialized spaces like furnished flats, studios, or student housing come with their own detailed tasks. No matter the property, the key is a systematic approach. Clean the kitchen appliances inside and out, scrub bathrooms, remove limescale, wash windows, dust every surface, and vacuum or mop all floors. Pay attention to high-touch areas and hidden corners. Move furniture where possible, clear cupboards, and leave no traces behind. When deciding between DIY and professional help, think about your time and your confidence. Doing it yourself can save money, but it requires patience and precision. Hiring professionals ensures a high-standard clean that many landlords and agents expect, and often makes securing your full deposit much easier. If these insights help you feel more prepared for moving day, like this video, share it. And don't forget to subscribe to FastKlean for more cleaning tips and home care advice.